Today I'm going to show you how to make puff pastry pizza twists. You will need 320 grams of puff pastry, 100 grams of cheddar cheese, 3 tablespoons of tomato puree, 2 teaspoons of tomato ketchup, 1 teaspoon of basil and 1 egg. And then for my toppings I had 50 grams of ham and 50 grams of mushrooms, though you can use whatever toppings you want. Firstly, you want to prep your ingredients. So you want to grate your cheddar cheese, and then for the toppings I just chopped up my mushrooms and chopped up my ham as well. Then we want to make our tomato sauce. So to your tomato puree, add your basil and your ketchup and mix until really well combined. Then you want to roll out your pastry. I bought pre-rolled pastry because it's easier, but if you do have a block of pastry, just roll it out. And then to the pastry I cut it into 6 squares. Then to the diagonal, I spread the tomato sauce down the middle. Then I top that with the grated cheese, keeping some aside to top for later. And then simply add your toppings. So for me, like I say, I used ham and mushrooms. Then you want to pre-beat your egg so then we can assemble our twists. So just fold one of the corners into the middle, brush the top of that corner with the beaten egg, and then fold the other corner in over the top, overlapping, just pushing down so then the beaten egg helps them stick together. And then once you've done that with all 6, you then want to just brush the top of each twist with the beaten egg. And then just top with the remaining cheddar cheese. Then pop in a preheated oven at gas mark 6, 200 degrees centigrade or 180 fan assisted for 15 to 18 minutes. And there you have it. That's how you make puff pastry pizza twists.